Don't stop. It's too good. Whatever it is you're doing, just continue.
Guy asked for tea. Who are you, Mr. Manners?
What are you doing? Come here.
Don't you got something better to do?
You got the bag. You don't.
Oh, right. You got suspended. Well, don't you make it look easy. Jap bastard probably won't even drink it.
Your suspect's a Jap?
Yeah, he got in a fight with a white guy while he was filling up his gas. White guy's dead. None of the witnesses saw the first punch.
You need some help?
Satoshi, I'm Detective Lyons. This is Detective Hodiak. If your tea stinks, you made it. Okay, so you're at the filling station, you see a man.
He saw me, and then he attacked me for no reason. I defended myself.
Well, you did more than that. You did more than defend yourself. You cracked his head open on the concrete. You killed him. That sounds personal to me, like maybe you knew him.
No, he was a stranger.
Want to see a picture, maybe jog your memory?
It wouldn't help.
Why's that? All white people look alike?
Yeah, you're all pale, freckled, and fat.
Satoshi, do you have a problem with your temper?
I am the victim of this crime. I was attacked, not him.
But you must have a theory as to why he attacked you.
Prejudice, maybe?
He's lying. He knew the guy. We just got to prove it.
I don't know. Witnesses saw the end of the fight. They back up what he's saying. He pushed the guy hit his head on the way down. Could be self-defense. Anyway, thanks. I'll take it from here.